Hello, this video will show you on how to use user field tags for your document template so that all information from the client side or from the candidate application form or even the ones from their profile, if you wanted to auto-populate into your document. So this is how you do it. Just click on the pencil icon and then um, you can click on this insert tag. Now, depending on the user type, let's say if the user type is the one wherein the agreement can be signed by both the client and the candidate, then it will allow you to pull up information from both the client side and the candidate side. Make sure that you just choose the type and then the field or question that you want to auto-populate. If it's for candidate, you choose candidate and choose the questions that you want to be added. So let's give it a try for the candidate side. In this case, since the user type is just for the candidate side, that means we can only pull up information from the candidate application form and from the candidate profile. And so what you have to do is just click on the pencil icon. So let's say you want to add something from the candidate side. Let's say how you hear about our agency. You just add the question, uh, candidate marketing source, and then you just place a cursor where you want the auto population to be happening, and then just click on insert tag, and then write the question here, and then click on submit. And then the marketing source will automatically populate. So if ever a candidate will choose Instagram, then it will auto populate Instagram there as well. Thank you for watching.